When we spoke last in March at the Abundance Summit, your prediction was that AI was increasing at a rate as fast as 100 times per year, and that by 2029 or 2030, we might see AI as capable as 8 billion humans. Are you still seeing that pace?
Yeah, it's a difficult thing to quantify exactly, but I certainly feel comfortable saying that it's getting 10 times better per year, which is, if it's 3 years from now, that would mean 10,000 times better. So maybe 100,000. Yeah. I think it will be able to do anything that any human can do, possibly within the next year or two. How much longer than that does it take to be able to do what all humans can do combined? I think not long, probably only, 3 years from that point. So it like 2029-ish, 28, something like that.
So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents. Eventually, probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
From generative AI to what's known as agentic AIs.
That agent force is what he's calling it. Agent force will be...
In the next year, you're going to see very large context windows, agents, and text to action. When they are delivered at scale, it's going to have an impact on the world at a scale that no one understands yet.
Do you think people realize how much change we're about to see in business and industries and society over the next 5 years?
This is a generational opportunity like we haven't seen before. I 100% agree. And the economic upside is profound. So I would say that the time is now. You have to reimagine what is possible, because it really is. And we're seeing it already today. And so to me, when you think about the impact on humanity, it is incredibly inspiring. My dad always said when I was growing up, education is your passport for freedom. It is your passport for life. This is transformative. So one, get on the program right away. And the second really important point is what Demis said, which is, why not? You have to radically reimagine what is possible, how you interact with customers, every element of process, but the time is now.
It's near infinite opportunity, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Every industry will be transformed.
Reimagine the impossible, reimagine the possible. Yeah.
It sounds insane, but here's the amazing thing. We're going to have agents that obviously understand the subtleties of the things that we ask it to do, but it can also use tools, and it can reason, and it can reason with each other and collaborate with each other. And we're going to give a problem to Agent Force, and agents are going to go find other agents that can help achieve this mission. They'll work together, assemble together, and work together and solve this problem. It's an industry of tools. You know, computers, software, they're industry of tools. For the very first time, this is going to be an industry of skills. And you capture that phrase and you call it agents. But it's going to be, for the very first time, agents sitting on top of tools. Agents using tools. And the opportunity for agents is gigantic. From human-engineered software to machine learning software. And now this feedback loop that allows us to create new AIs. And these new AIs are helping us create new computer systems. That feedback, that flywheel is really flying now. The progress that you're going to have with agents over the next year or two is going to be spectacular and surprising. And then reflection, using chain of thought to reflect on the quality of the answers that it's producing. It's no longer AI, this one shot producing information. It's now reasoning about, is the answer I'm generating sufficiently safe and proper? And is it the best possible answer I could be providing? And now here we are. We now have the instruments, the tools, this capability called artificial intelligence that goes solve all of those other problems that we've been excited about ever since we were kids. And so that's pretty exciting times.
Now, how do we put it in the hands of everybody to just get to work? And building an agent should not be some computer science fair project. It should be something that we can easily do, because
it's going to be a lot more like onboarding employees.